In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to take a photo and add it within the Messages app, use this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Then operate camera section available here. Snap a picture, and after that it will be automatically added to your message. All you need to do now is send it. If you wish to pick already existing photo, click on the same icon and tap on it here. If you can't find it, scroll down and look for it using all of those searching options. After tapping on all of your photos you wanna send, hit done at the bottom right corner and then send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!